Come here. Come here. It is, look, (4:05). It's 4:05 on a Sunday. I'm listening to some music and cleaning my room. I feel like I've been cleaning my room for forever. We have a lot to do. Cleaning up the depression room. Because I finally puked pretty good. Can we like stop barking? Come here. Come here. Finally feel kind of up to cleaning my room. And yeah. So, yeah, just been cleaning my room. Let's keep going. Hey guys, so it's a little later. It's like 5:52. Love that. I'm still really nervous about tomorrow. Just cause like I'm nervous I'm gonna, not for the content of the classes, just I'm nervous I'm gonna miss one. But what I like to do is I've kind of got this down. Even though with COVID it's very different. I basically put on my Google Docs when I have classes, and then I always save on my phone like my class schedule. So that is very helpful. I totally recommend that. So yeah, so I've kind of already done that. Let's see what classes I have tomorrow. Okay. Well, we might have an issue. I swear. I have changed my schedule so many times. Okay, view my schedule. Oh no. Oh, no. Okay. So tomorrow I have 3 classes. And one of them is like, so I'm nannying tomorrow. And basically, I typically just have like my computer there and like we do a board game or something while I'm in class. And one of my classes starts right when I'm picking him up from preschool. So I think I might like just put it on my phone, but I'm kind of nervous just to be like, hey guys, you know what I mean? So we'll see how that goes. I might treat it like a phone call. So yeah, that's basically what I do. For college, I feel like the first few like classes are always like kind of boring and like you don't really do any content. Sometimes you do, but basically just go over the syllabus, and it's quite boring. But let's see if there's any new information, because I don't know. I feel like I haven't ever gotten like less nervous, if that makes sense. Like my first semester, I was so nervous. I felt like I was gonna throw up. Because at least where I go to school, it's like if you don't show up to your first class, like you're dropped out of the class, which is like it makes sense. Like, why wouldn't you go to your first class? But it just always freaks me out. So let's look at my announcements. I guess I should start finding books for classes. I get nervous. I'm also like, do I get the books now? Do I wait? I don't know. I'm excited though, and nervous. So yeah, I will continue soon. Hey, what's up you guys? It's been like 2 days, and it's been a rough 2 days. Look how dilated my eyes are. Why are they like that? Guys, what? Whatever. I am really tired. So, it's been a rough 2 days. I started school yesterday, and doing school and nannying is hard. Like, it's hard work. Doing both. So I like nanny, and then I like have my Zoom class on. So yeah, it's a time. And then today, I had a 3-hour-long night class from 6:15 to 9. I have 2. One of them it was just like once, and then we're doing like our own thing. But it's every single week. It's a good class. It's about women's history in film, because we all know women are not very prominent in the film industry, even though women and men are graduating about the same in film school. But there is like no representation. So, and it hasn't been like that for a long time. So yeah, I learned a lot tonight. First night of class. I love my professor. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. That will be a fun class. It's my only class in person. So I'm looking forward to it every week. It'll be a nice little relaxing class. We just watch we read a bunch of articles before or after the movie. But we watch a movie. Tonight was about, her name was Alice, but it was French. So it was Alice G or Gay Blank. I'll put it right here. Right here. And it was very interesting. She was the first woman filmmaker ever. And we basically had no idea. And it wasn't very long ago either. Because film's still a new thing. You catch my vibe? So I thought that was so interesting. I learned a lot. I had a headache. So that movie felt longer than it should have. It was a lot of information. A lot of information. Because it talked about how they got all the film. And her as well. And it was just crazy. It was a bunch of, again, I keep saying it was a bunch of information, but it was. It was a lot. It was basically saying she was literally one of the first filmmakers ever. One of the first. And no one gave her credit at all. oh my gosh, at all, until like recently. And she's like been alive, and she keeps like sending them like, oh, by the way, like, I don't have like I did this film, I didn't do this film. It was crazy. It was crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm exhausted. Exhausted. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Life is crazy. Life is crazy. I am excited to go to bed. I kind of want to watch The Bachelor. Because I actually think I'm gonna like this season. Because I always like start watching it and like 3 episodes in, I'm like, this is boring. But I have a good feeling. I have a good feeling about this system. I do. This system. This season. You guys, it's been a long day. So yeah. Haven't eaten anything really. Real healthy up in here. So yeah, I'm literally exhausted. Like, look at my eye bags. Look at them. I keep looking at the screen right here. I don't mean to be doing that. I'm sorry. But yeah, this was a lot.